Justice is all what we need. So let us be conscious so we all can proceed and never lose focus. That won't make us achieve. I don't love and just burn them envy and greed.
It's Sabrina and Jasmine. We're hiking.
And Kenneth Hart. Okay, what are your guys' names?
Omar.
Say Omar.
Hi, Omar and
Fabio.
Fabio.
Yamo has me.
Nice to meet you.
Me amo
Sabrina.
Sabrina.
7.
Oh.
You know what? Yeah, you're the one that I started looking at your YouTube video about some guy following you.
Oh, the stalker video.
Stalker video. I was like,
See you in the morning.
all right.
We have to get new shoes.
Oh, wait, we're walking the wrong way.
Okay.
But yeah, he has a book out, and it's
You ready to go hiking?
Friends all over again.
Uh-oh, there go the pervert.
You got any more wise proverbs for us today? You got any wise proverbs today?
Anything you want, I got.
Oh,
Okay, I'm scared of the dogs, though.
Oh, they're friendly, man.
Okay.
What I tell them. Check it out. Check it out. Get down, Dylan. I'm talking to you too.
What's his name?
Dylan
Dylan. Okay.
and Kima.
And Kima.
Okay, stand up. Sit.
Was we against the sun? Oh, no, he can see it.
Okay, they're very well behaved.
I train them.
Good job.
I like to train you guys like that.
Yeah, you know, homie, I'm at the
You know.
on that one.
It's ridiculous.
I can't be trained to sit and stand.
No, not that way. I don't mean like that. I just mean.
Well, it came off like
Yeah,
that.
what could you have meant?
What would you mean by that?
What did you mean? You said you'd like to train us like that.
How would you like to train me?
Well, not like
Yeah, you gotta
dogs, because the dogs are not like you. You are completely different. But what I meant was.
Yeah, you don't have no answer.
No. When I come home from work,
Mm-hmm.
well, I work for myself, so I can't say that.
Okay.
When I come home,
Mm-hmm.
dinner is ready.
Oh, no. You
must
you
be.
got the wrong girl right here.
Absolutely.
I'd like to train you to cook
I don't
dinner
think
for
so.
me.
You know,
Yeah.
I'm a cook.
Exactly.
Honestly.
Okay, there will be no training of a chef.
No.
No. Next thing you know,
Sorry.
you're talking
So
about
what are you
kids.
gonna do? What's your job? I make all the money. All you have to do is just spend it. What you gonna do for that?
Well, isn't it a job just to spend your money?
Oh, not just you crazy?
Well, I'll tell you what, we could come up with some, but it won't be cooking, cleaning, or anything in that category.
Exactly.
No, I can handle it. That's part.
Mhm.
This stuff that I
And
want.
where you from?
British West Indies.
All right.
This stuff that I want to handle is not like I can do.
You
that.
married now?
No, I'm not.
You not married?
Follow me home, both of you.
No, I'm cool. That's the second day in a row you done tried to get both of us to do something together.
Uh-huh.
We don't get down like that.
You asked me a question and I told you no.
Thank you.
All right, well, we see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
give us
right.
some more wise African proverbs tomorrow.
Exactly.
Okay. No way. Hell,
For real.
I'm clean or cook shit for that man.
That's ridiculous.
Fucking pervert.
It's a pervert.
Man.
Some of the holes Jasmine warned me about. She said not to look in them.
Golden rule number one when hiking, you do not look down in the hole, okay? Because something will look back up at you. And you don't want that, because that'll stop you from coming out here.
Exactly.
If I looked in every hole that I walked past in Kennesaw Park, I would never, ever come out here and hike.
I will admit I was a little scared at first. Let's see. You never know what you'll find.
Okay, so,
You get the beetle.
you go. And then your foot on top of it.
See, hi.
We're hiking.
Girl, if you let me fall.
Yes, it's time to get, you know.
Okay, let me get it.
Where's my saying? Get right for the summer. Get it right. Get it tight. Cause summer's on. Sundays on Crenshaw, the pool party.
Oh, that ain't no work.
Girl, Girl, it's just a plant. It ain't gonna hurt you.
I'm older. I have no endurance. If I had to run, I would not make it at all.
Okay, here's a grate.
Okay.
Oh, I'm just getting in there. No, I'm just kidding.
Fell off this cliff.
You got health insurance? No.
Girl, no.
Wait, look.
Waiting on Obama.
I'll say some nice words at your funeral. You could do, first of all, girlfriend, that's a coyote. That's coyote shit, okay? Second of all, I told you there are coyotes out here.
Coyotes?
Yes. In the wilderness.
Lord, please.
Have you seen a coyote?
No, I don't want to see
Oh.
a coyote. If
Yeah.
I see a coyote, I will never come back out here again. So I make sure to get my black ass up out of this park before they wake up. If I see a coyote, I'll never be the same.
I'm real drawn now.
Don't fuck around. If I see a coyote in this park, I won't come back, Bree.
Yeah.
And the rules are like early in the morning, there's this walking, these older folks who walk, I go behind them. So I let them come first throughout the cobweb. You know, they get rid of stuff, they kill stuff, they check everything out. They older, they didn't already live. So,
This coyote did get
it could have been something else. This video ain't gonna make nobody want to come. They're gonna be like, man.
Okay.
It's still fun. It's fun.
If you've never done it, it's an adventure.
It is.
And it's a workout.
Mm-hmm.
Like, we're moving around now, but when we're not videotaping, like, you're seriously walking somewhere.
See, Jasmine tricked me at first. She said, do you want to go walking? So I was
We
ready
are
to walk.
walking.
She didn't say hiking. Up these mountains. And most of y'all don't even know these mountains when you're driving up La Brea, you can't even see all these trails. I had no idea these little trails existed.
Yeah. Ooh, it's stinky over here. Now be careful with the lava. Ooh, that's a deep hole, girl.
Hola. Finding you. Everyone's so friendly.
Yeah, you need to be friendly out here. If your ass fall or get stuck,
You need a friend.
Exactly.
Hey.
Hi. City behind me.
Look at the beautiful city. Oh, look at the street right quick. Oh, wow. Cars going by. What? Careful. I have no balance. What's wrong with me? My equilibrium is off. Okay, so I really need to work out. And it's me. Hey. It's a beautiful world we live in. You scared us. ¿Cómo se dice scared en español? Oh, okay. Can you Exactly. See? Yeah. All the interesting people.
No joke, but it's still working.
We're approaching Hamburger
When I
Hill.
get to the top, I can't videotape and do this hill at the same time.
All right. We're walking backwards up Hamburger Hill here, okay? This is what Jasmine got me into, okay? I'm 41 now, so I guess I gotta work out. Okay. And thanks to this nice gentleman, you get to see us. Thank you.
All right.
All right. Whew. Oh. This Hamburger Hill, it ain't no joke. There's Jasmine back there, and there's me walking backwards. Ow. Up Hamburger Hill. So, see YouTube, this is what you have to do to be beautiful. You have to work out. Oh. Back to the car. Well, we had a productive day.
Yes, we did.
Working out. We'll be back at it again tomorrow. Got to keep this up. Be consistent.
Oh, I got a free